I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you?
All right, Kai, Adult Swim. We're not talking about the TV show or like the channel Adult Swim or the program, which I do enjoy. I love Adult Swim. Kai's Adult Swim. This is a pre-release. We got a melting popsicle. I guess he's gonna be melting us internally and externally. I don't know. But without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, damn, girl. Oh. Oh.
Adult Swim.
Why do I feel like a beginning of a show in Adult Swim?
Hey, 지금부터는 조금 위험해. 한 발씩 coming slowly.
Babe. Round his snatched ass waist. Oh, splashed on my. Alright, pause. It got me thinking, like, now that Kai's back with his comeback, and I was like, are we gonna see him live? Am I able to see it? And then it made me think of SM Town. Isn't SM Town coming up or happening in LA? At least in Los Angeles. I don't know if it's going anywhere else, but let me look this up. Yup. Okay. So Kai of EXO's gonna be on this. Okay. Ooh, wait, hold up. TVXQ, Super Junior, Key, Minho of SHINee. Oh, Key and Minho, Suho, Chanyeol, Kai of EXO, Red Velvet, NCT 127, NCT Dream, Wavy, aespa, Rise, NCT Wish, Novice. Oh, Novice too? Okay. Hearts to Hearts. So anyways, I got my answer. Kai gonna be there. Anyways, continue with the reaction.
Dive in.
Why? The way he says Adult Swim felt like a commercial for Adult Swim.
Adult Swim. Turn it up. Adult Swim.
So he's making it for like the summer anthem almost. Summery kind of. Oh, damn.
Adult Swim.
He out here naked. He naked. Okay, if the waves shake you from the back side. Oh, interesting shot though. He's really using that, like those mini shirts to his advantage, bro. Like showing off his little like lower abs and stuff. I'm not complaining though. It's interesting. But this is just a pre-release though. Dive in. Adult Swim. What? Yeah? What we working? Where is this? Shake that ass, ho! Shake it, shake it. Get down with it. Yeah, get, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake your ass, ho! Shake your ass, ho! I'm saying shake your ass, ho, not shake your asshole. I just want to clarify. Oh, damn, that outfit, that like chain armor. You know, I'm gonna be honest. Every time I kept on showing him, and his shirt kept on rising up above his like belly button, I kept on staring there. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm just be out there. Yeah. Kai. God damn. Kai back from the military, back with a new comeback. I can't wait to see what the title track. Do we know what the title track is? Or literally immediately released an MV almost 2 months after discharge. Oh, Lord, Kai. I don't think I'm ready for the title track, to be honest. This is more of a vibe for me. Kind of feels like an opening to like a soundtrack to like a comedy summer movie feel. Oh my god, his body rolling is crazy. Anyways, Kai, you the man. You the man. You is you. And we love you.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.